The slope of graph as shown in figure at points 1, 2 and 3 is m1, m2 and m3 respectively then. So in this question, with the help of figure, we have to find the relation between slopes at different points, that is m1, m2 and m3. So with the help of graph, we can see the slope. First of all, we have to judge slope represented by m is given as tan theta, where theta is the angle with x-axis, or we can say angle with parallel to x-axis. So first we have to see the angle at those points 1, 2 and 3. So with the help of figure, we will plot the angles at their points only. So for that angle, we will draw tangent at those points. So at first point, tangent is drawn like this, and angle with x-axis or parallel to x-axis is represented as theta 1. Again, angle at second point with x-axis, or we can say parallel to x-axis, is theta 2, and angle at third point with x-axis or parallel to x-axis is theta 3. With the help of figure, we can easily see the angle keeps on increasing, that is theta 1 is lesser than theta 2 and theta 2 is lesser than theta 3, means angle keeps on increasing, and in trigonometry we know as the angle increases, the value of tan theta also increases. So the order of tan theta will be like this: tan theta 1 is lesser than tan theta 2 is lesser than tan theta 3, and tan theta here representing slope, which is represented by m. So m1 is lesser than m2 is lesser than m3. So according to our question, we will get the answer, that is relation between slopes at different point given as m1 is lesser than m2 is lesser than m3. Thank you.